Welcome to the first video in the SIS Global Preferential Procurement process. In this video, we will cover system configurations and setups required to run the preferential procurement process. All required setups for preferential procurement are found in the Accounts Payable module. Let's navigate to Accounts Payable, Preferential Procurement to review our setups. Firstly, we have the B-BBEE status setup. Each of these setups indicate a different recognition level as described in the BEE Codes of Good Practice. And each recognition level is date-driven to be used over a specific measurement period. Next, we have our Preferential Procurement Reason Code. These setup codes are used for procurement exclusions, and as you can see, we have imports. This is because imports or foreign spend is not taken into consideration when calculating BEE procurement spend. And the same principle applies for intercompany spend, medical aid, etc. BEE Procurement Target. This setup table is used to detail the target type, target percentage, and weighting points for each category of the preferential procurement element as set out in the BEE Codes of Good Practice. Much like the other requirements for BEE calculations, this setup table is date-driven to be used over a specific measurement period. The enterprise development targets, supplier development targets, as well as the BEE benefit factor matrix aren't directly taken into consideration for the preferential procurement calculations, so I'll leave these out until we're looking at enterprise and supplier development calculations. The last required setup table applicable to preferential procurement calculations is the Vee Multipliers. The multiplier setup table outlines specific categories. As you can see, EME or QSE 3-year contract, first-time supplier, as well as supplier development 3-year contract. And each one of these have a certain percentage of recognition. Now that we've reviewed the base setups, in our next video, we can take a look at creating preferential procurement details for vendors.